Good morning, students. Yesterday we have seen the kinetic energy, potential energy and the total energy. That is the formula for kinetic, potential and the total energy. So this was the formula for the total energy. E is equal to 1 by 2 k into a square, and the other form is E is equal to 1 by 2 m omega square a square. That this k is this value, and E is equal to 1 by 2 m v max square. So now we'll see the different forms of energy. We have omega is equal to 2 pi n, that angular frequency. So we have the formula for E as E is equal to 1 by 2 m omega square a square, this total energy. So we'll put this value, that is 2 pi n instead of omega. So it becomes 1 by 2 m 2 pi n whole square into a square. That is, simplifying this, we have 1 by 2 m square 4, it is 4 pi square n square a square. So this, and by simplifying this we have 2 pi square, it becomes 2. So 2 pi square n square a square m square. So this is the one formula for the total energy. And again we have omega is equal to 2 pi by t. So this, again put this value in this equation, we have it is E is equal to 1 by 2 m omega square a square. So it becomes 1 by 2 m, omega's value it is 2 pi by t, that is it becomes 4 pi square upon t square a square. So that is E is equal to, it is 2 to the 4, so it is 2 pi square m a square by t square. So this is the second formula. So this is the other form of total energy, that is E is equal to 2 pi square m a square by t square. Now we will see some special cases, that is the total energy at mean position. We know the mean position, this is suppose the mean position, this is for extreme position, positive extreme and the negative extreme. So at mean position we know that x is equal to 0, that is the displacement is 0 at mean position. So as we know, the kinetic energy is equal to 1 by 2 m omega square a square minus x square. We derived this formula earlier. So here put this x is equal to 0, then we got the formula for this kinetic energy, that is Ek is equal to 1 by 2 m omega square a square. So this is the formula for kinetic energy. Then we will see the potential energy. That potential energy, that is Ep is equal to, it is 1 by 2 m omega square x square. This is our formula. Put here x as 0 again. So we have potential energy as 0. So total energy is nothing but the combination of kinetic energy plus potential energy. So adding this equation number 1 and 2, suppose, we'll have this Ek as this and Ep, that is the potential energy, is 0. So we have the formula for the total energy as 1 by 2 m omega square a square. So this is the formula for total energy. And we can say at this is the formula for kinetic energy also. This is the formula for kinetic energy also. So we can say this total energy is equal to kinetic energy. That means at the mean position, the total energy of the particle is equal to the kinetic energy, as potential energy becomes 0. So next is the second case, is at the extreme position. We know at the extreme position. So here again the same diagram, mean position, extreme position. Here the particle starts from this position. So kinetic energy is maximum here, potential energy is minimum. When it reaches the extreme position, the velocity, that particle comes back to the mean position because of the restoring force, and here the velocity, it becomes equal to 0. So here at the extreme position we have the velocity is equal to 0, and the amplitude, that is the displacement, it is equal to it is equal to A. That is the amplitude. So put this value in the value of kinetic energy, that is the formula of the kinetic energy. Ek is equal to 1 by 2 m omega square A square minus x square. As x is equal to A here, so put this value here. A will get cancelled, that is a 0, and the kinetic energy it becomes equal to 0. So the next we'll have the formula for the potential energy at the extreme position. The potential energy, the formula for potential energy, it is 1 by 2 m omega square x square. Here this x is nothing but the amplitude, that is the maximum displacement, it is equal to the amplitude. So EP is equal to 1 by 2 m omega square, it is A square. So this is the formula for kinetic and this is for the potential energy. The total energy is again sum of kinetic plus potential energy. Put these values, this again equation number 1 and 2 say. Equation number 2. With the combining these two equations we have 1 by 2 m omega square A square. That is this m omega square, this is nothing but this value, it is equal to K, we know. So this equation we can write in the form of E is equal to 1 by 2 K into A square. So this is the formula. So we can say at the extreme position the total energy it is equal to the potential energy, right? Now the next case, if Ek is equal to Ep, that is the kinetic energy it is equal to the potential energy here. We have the formula for kinetic energy as 1 by 2 m omega square A square minus x square. And write here the formula for potential energy 1 by 2 m omega square x square. Simplifying this to 1 by 2 will get cancelled and this will get cancelled again, m omega square. So we have A square minus x square is equal to x square. That is A square is equal to 2x square. This x square will become plus and we have 2x square. That is we have x is equal to A by root of 2. This is the x, that is we can say it is the displacement. What? X is the displacement. As now we will see the kinetic energy and the potential energy separately. As we got the value of x here, the Ek, that is the kinetic energy, the formula is 1 by 2 m omega square A square minus x square. Put here x is equal to 1 upon under root of 2. So this it becomes x square, so it is A square upon 2. Simplifying this 2, it is 2a square minus a square by 2. So it is equal to a square by 2 and remaining term as it is, that is 1 by 2 m omega square A square by 2. So the formula for the kinetic energy it is equal to E by 2. Because this term 1 by 2 m omega square A square, I have written here 1 by 2 m omega square A square, this is equal to E. So it becomes E by 2, that is the kinetic energy. And this, so at A, therefore x is equal to, at x is equal to A by under root of 2. That means if this is the mean position, this is extreme and this is extreme, so the particle is between here, this is mean, so particle is in between here somewhere, as this x is equal to A by root of 2 and this total is A, so it is here somewhere. So at x is equal to A by under root of 2, we'll find the value of potential energy. The potential energy, we have the formula 1 by 2 m omega square x square is equal to this 1 by 2 m omega square. Instead of x we have written here A square x square, so it is A square by 2. So simplifying this, again this value it is equal to the total energy, this E. So the formula becomes EP is equal to E by 2. So by equation this, say A and B, by equation A and B, this side it is equal, so we can say Ek is equal to Ep. Therefore by equation 1 and 2, at x is equal to A by under root of 2, the kinetic energy is equal to potential energy, that is it is equal to E by 2. The next case, the case 4th is at x is equal to a by 2, that is it is half of amplitude. X is equal to half of amplitude. So a by 2, the kinetic energy, it is equal to, this is the formula. So half of amplitude, here we can consider this 1 by 2 m omega square. X value, it is x square is equal to a square by 4. It is a square by 4. Simplifying this bracket, 4a square minus a square by 4. So it becomes 1 by 2 m omega square. It is 4 minus 1, it is 3 by 4 a square. So I'll take this 3 by 4 out of bracket, and in bracket I have, it is 1 by 2. We can write 1 by 2 m omega square and a square. So this value, it is again the total energy. This E, it is the total energy. So E is equal to 1 by 2 m omega square a square. So kinetic energy, it is equal to 3 by 4 into E. So this is the value when x is equal to a by 2, that is displacement is half of the amplitude. Then next we'll have the potential energy. The potential energy is equal to, the formula is 1 by 2 m omega square x square. Again x is what? Half of amplitude, that is a by 2. Put the value here, that is a square, that is a square by 4. Simplifying this, 1 by 4 I'll take out of bracket, and it is 1 by 2 m omega square a square again. This is again the total energy. So it is E is equal to 1 by 2 m omega square a square here. So this formula becomes potential energy is equal to 1/4 of E. And the kinetic energy is 3 into E by 4. So we can write, I have written this formula as this 3 out of bracket, in bracket I have written it is E by 4. It is E by 4. As E by 4 is the potential energy, right? So the kinetic energy is equal to thrice of potential energy. That is Ek is equal to 3 EP. So here this potential energy is equal to 1/4 of E. This E is nothing but the total energy. So that means it is 25% of the total energy, right? This potential energy is nothing but the 25% of the potential energy, and Ek is equal to 3 EP. So it is, we can write 3 into 25%, that is the 25, that is the 75%. That means the kinetic energy is 75% of total energy, and potential energy is 25% of total energy. So I have written it here, that is at x is equal to a by 2, the energy, that is the potential energy is 25% of potential, the energy, that is the potential energy is 25% of total energy, and kinetic energy is 75%. So this is about the kinetic and the potential energy at x is equal to, that is displacement is half of amplitude.